Okay, let's get working on this forecast, everybody. We actually did have a bit more sunshine than even expected. A number of hours where we had a decent amount of filtered sun, a dimmed sun that has gone into an overcast at this point as clouds have been increasing and thickening up from the west, and this is going to result in some light rain developing over likely the next hour, hour and a half from west to east across the viewing area, and keeping us on the damp side for this evening. These are the high temperatures from today. Grand Rapids, one of the warmer spots at 51. Ionia, 48. You go down towards I-94. 49s collected at Kalamazoo and Battle Creek, and over towards the lakeshore, basically the same, near 50 degrees. So the almanac for today shows an average high of 59 degrees for this 19th day of October, an average overnight low of 41. Look at the records, though. It can still get warm this time of year. And we're going to try to warm it up just a bit. We're going to be right on the edge of a warmer surge of air that will come northward for later in the day on Thursday and into at least the first half, if not into the afternoon on Friday. Temperatures from north to south across our viewing area. There you can see it. White cloud, Big Rapids at 47. Come southward, GR has dropped off now with this thickening cloud deck. And we have limited the warming within the past, I'd say 30 to 45 minutes, as we have been increasing the clouds, and pretty much the same. You go southward towards the Indiana line, mid to upper 40s in those locations. There is a weather disturbance, a rather vigorous one, and kind of interesting because the models really weren't clued into this unanimously the last few days, but it has been rather formidable, producing some decent snow showers out there through central Iowa, nearby the Des Moines area. There's been some locations picking up a couple, 2-3 inches on the grass. At least the National Weather Service has been warning for that. That snowfall, though, is going to be rain as it does arrive here shortly. So that's some good news, at least. We got winter-like temperatures building in Canada. So if you get the right pattern, it can send it southward into the Midwest and Great Lakes. And we're right on the flank of some of that cooler air at the moment. Winds are very light. Those aren't going to be a factor really tomorrow either. So a light winded pattern, at least for the next day or two. Light evening showers developing shortly. It looks like showers will come back again later tomorrow night, and then again later Wednesday night into early Thursday. So no major changes with the forecast. The showers later Wednesday night into Thursday morning will be associated with a northward moving warm front. And I showed you on the tees before the commercial break, warm air down towards the Gulf Coast. It'll try to make a move towards us, and we could use it at least for a day or two. Some of the moisture just out to the west. See what I'm talking about? The purples representing snow showers getting into Illinois, but running into surface or boundary layer temperatures that are simply too warm to support snow around here. Now, could somebody at some point over the next several hours get a snowflake? It's conceivable. I can't rule that out, but this is going to come down in the form of rain. This is the HRRR model from the National Weather Service. Very high resolution and even tends to overdo the precipitation coverage, but you can see some light showers, light scattered showers that'll move through between now and probably 9-10 o'clock, and then we'll actually get some weaknesses in the clouds. So the mercury will dip down into the middle 30s again. The overnight low yesterday, or I should say earlier this morning, at 35 degrees. We'll be in similar territory early tomorrow. You see those temps do try to climb into the upper 60s Thursday and Friday, but then back down to cooler levels again. And I'll talk more about rain prospects as we go along. I'll have more coming up.
All right, Anthony, thanks. True West Michigan fall,
right?
We've got here. All right, still ahead, the day is